gotten the driver's side fairly cleaned up and the passenger side fairly cleaned up. I believe I have a bulb dead for the four-wheel drive select, so I'm going to try to carefully peel this thing up. I've never taken one of these apart before, so let's see if maybe we can get lucky and just kind of pull back on it without breaking this. I think this is two pieces. I don't believe it's one piece, but hopefully we can. And it always makes me nervous with old plastic prying on stuff. Let's see if maybe we can just get a bite. Let's see if we can work out here without breaking anything. Alright, here it goes. So just pulled straight up on it. Bulb should be back here. So let's push this guy all the way forward. Pull back the four-wheel drive. There's our bulb. It should twist. So take this guy out of here. Set this down for a second, guys. Well, wow. I do not want to pull on that. Oh no. That's exactly what I didn't want it to happen. And we broke it. Dang it. Well, that was eventful. So now we got this guy here. Still fighting him, just trying to get him out. I can just pull the bolt straight out. Yep, there it goes. Ah, man. That was not fun. Well, we got our bulb. That's great. Unfortunately, broke that. That kind of, it's not fun. But I'm sure we can epoxy that back together now. If we can get this guy out of here without breaking it further. That would be ideal. Good grief. Alright, well, got that out. Now we're going to have to do some repair, unfortunately. Glue that back on. Glue this dude back into place. And well, that's what you get, you know, working with plastic that's over 20 years old now. It's brittle. Okay, well, that is not how you take that out, by the way. This part was easy. It just pops up. You can see we have a tab here. This is the back four-wheel drive. We have a tab here. So all I did was just kind of pulled it up and it came out. And then obviously don't do what I did and break this plastic piece. All right, well, that was fun. This is probably the same shifter, which it is, so it pops into place. Just gonna grab here, gently pull up, hopefully not break anything else today. Okay, so that pulls straight up. Cool. You can see our mechanism down there. That bulb is okay, but I do want to clean underneath there, get it nice and neat. Just kind of pop this guy back into place, hopefully not breaking anything. All right, well that was good. Got that guy great. This dude I broke on accident, so let's shift him back into two-wheel drive. See here, this is our little shift indicator for, you know, park, reverse, neutral drive. So just be very careful. Do not cut that or get hung up on something. But we will go to the auto parts store and get a new bulb, and we need to get a new windshield wiper. But again, that is not how you take the bulb out. Learn from my mistakes.